Welcome to 1 Minute with Miss Nikita, where learning is made simple 1 minute at a time. Let's learn. Let's solve this percentage problem step by step. Please note that this question was taken from the Trinidad and Tobago Newsday, volume 339. It is used for educational illustration. This is numbers 23. Dexter scored 70% in his mathematics exam. The maximum number of marks available in the exam was 120. Jenny wrote the same exam and got 6 more marks correct than Dexter. Calculate Jenny's mark as a percent of the total marks available. And we would like our answer as a percent. This question is worth 3 marks. One thing I like to indicate to my students is that when we get a worded problem, we are going to either underline or pull out the information that is given to us. So based on the question, we know that Dexter scored 70% in his mathematics exam. We know that the maximum number of marks, meaning the total marks of the exam, is 120. We also know, based on the question, that Jenny scored 6 more marks than Dexter. The question is asking us to find out Jenny's mark as a percentage of the total. So we have what we know, which is Dexter scored 70%, total score overall 120. Jenny scored 6 more marks than Dexter, and we need to find out Jenny's mark as a percent. How are we going to work out this question? Step 1, we're going to find Dexter's mark. Step 2, we are going to find Jenny's mark. And step 3, we're going to convert Jenny's mark into a percent. So let's work it out. Step 1, find Dexter's mark. We know that Dexter scored 70%, and percent is always out of 100. So 70%. We know that the total marks is 120. So we're going to find 70% of 120. Off means to multiply, and total mark is 120. All right, we can cancel our zeros. So we can cancel off this 0 with our 7, cancel off this 0 with our 120. So now we end up with 7 multiplied by 12. And 7 multiplied by 12 is going to give us 84. So this tells us that Dexter's mark was 84 marks. All right. Next, step 2, we need to find out Jenny's mark. We know that Dexter marks is 84 marks. We also know based on the question that Jenny scored 6 more marks than Dexter. So in order to find out Jenny's mark, we need to take the 64 from Dexter, add it to 6. So 6 add 84 is going to give us 90 marks. So Jenny's mark, or Jenny's score, is 90 marks. Step 3, we need to convert Jenny's mark as a percent. We know, as we just calculated, that Jenny's score was 90. So we're going to say 90 all over We also know based on the question that the test was out of 120. We want to find out as a percent, so we're going to multiply by 100. All right, we can cancel zeros with zeros. We can reduce, so we can say 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 12 is 4. We could also say 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 100 is going to give us 25. All right, so we end up with 3 multiplied by 25. And 3 multiplied by 25 is going to give us 75. So our answer is not just 75, but it is 75%. So Jenny's mark as a percent is actually 75%. Remember, when a question gives you a percentage first, find the actual mark before moving to the next step. I am Miss Nikita, and that was your 1 minute with Miss Nikita. Now it's your turn. Head over to our WhatsApp channel, grab the free worksheet, and practice what we just learned. See you in the next lesson.